Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by opening your camera app and selecting video mode or live photo mode depending on your device. This captures motion and sound. Make sure focus and exposure are locked on your subject so the frame won't shift mid-take. Once done, decide whether you need 16:9 for widescreen or the native ratio for full resolution, then stabilize the phone with a steady grip or tripod to avoid motion blur while you start recording. Now focus on capturing the essential motion. Press record and give yourself 2 to 3 seconds before the action and after to ensure clean clips you can extract from. While filming, move smoothly. Slow pans and gentle tilts preserve usable frames. If the subject changes distance, tap to refocus or adjust exposure. This keeps the important frame sharp. Once you have multiple takes, stop recording and review the footage to pick the best live photo. Finish by opening the clip in your gallery or an editor and choose the exact frame to export as a still or convert the short segment into a video or GIF. Trim the ends and stabilize if needed. Make exposure and color adjustments to enhance the frame, then export in your desired format like MP4. If the clip is shaky or blurred, try again with a tripod, more light, or a faster shutter equivalent to freeze motion. This single tweak fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.